Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Kayaking is not as hard to learn as you might think. You only need a few basic skills to paddle effectively. You need a good guide or instructor to help you learn how to enter and exit a kayak, how to perform the forward stroke and the sweep stroke for turning the boat, and a few lessons on safety.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bathing suits are great to wear kayaking. They are perfect for getting wet. If it's a nice warm day and the water temperature isn't too cold, that's all you really need. Maybe a quick drying shirt and shorts to go with it.
Let's help you make your mark.
A beginner in decent aerobic shape, works out a few times a week, should expect to kayak about 2 miles per hour. Over a 3-hour trip they will go about 5 to 6 miles round trip. Most commercial trips will tell you how far and how long the trip is and typically set the pace for beginners.
Take our lead.
You can paddle alone, but you should make sure people know where you are going. Paddling alone is riskier, and even the most experienced paddlers can run into trouble sometimes. After taking your paddler's safety course, you might be tempted to think you can handle everything, and maybe you are right.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.